How are Israeli drone strikes impacting the latest Iran war developments? The secret role of drones is reshaping the battlefield in ways few expect, shifting power and strategy overnight. Israeli drone strikes have introduced a new level of precision in targeting critical Iranian military assets. Unlike traditional warfare, drones allow Israel to hit specific locations like weapons factories, command centers, and missile launchers with minimal collateral damage. This approach slows Iran's military progress and complicates its war planning. With drone technology, Israel can exert pressure without engaging in large-scale battles, forcing Iran to adapt continuously. This constant disruption impacts Iran's ability to mobilize and coordinate forces effectively, giving Israel a strategic edge in the ongoing conflict. Beyond offensive operations, Israeli drones excel in intelligence gathering. They fly undetected over contested areas, capturing live footage of Iranian troop deployments and weapon transports. This intelligence enables Israel to plan strikes with surgical accuracy and anticipate Iran's next moves. The constant flow of data from drones creates an ongoing awareness that disrupts Iran's operational secrecy. This surveillance advantage helps Israel stay several steps ahead in the conflict, making Iran's war efforts less effective and more vulnerable to coordinated strikes. Israeli drone strikes have broader implications beyond battlefield tactics. Each strike raises regional tensions, forcing Iran to ramp up air defenses and counter-drone technologies. This escalation drives a costly arms race and destabilizes neighboring countries worried about spillover effects. Additionally, Iran's retaliatory measures increase the risk of wider conflict in the Middle East. The drone war thus impacts not just Israel and Iran, but the entire region's political and military landscape, making the conflict more complex and unpredictable. Israeli drone strikes are profoundly influencing the latest Iran war developments by combining surgical attacks, unmatched intelligence, and regional pressure. This tech-driven warfare is rewriting the rules of conflict in the Middle East. If you want daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe now and stay curious.